All right, court is calling 2019 CR 12887, State of Texas versus Ross Kuko. Could I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Defense?
Megan Enriquez for standing in for John Coons on Ross Pupo.
All right, any objection to this attorney standing in?
None at all, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilty and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor, and I did understand it.
Are you the same Ross Kuko who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 12887 for the offense of aggravated robbery on May 27, 2021 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
That's me, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 2 on or about the 24th day of October 2023 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Ross Kuko did then and there admit to illegal use of controlled substance, mainly methamphetamines, in violation of condition number 2.
How you plead to that? True or not true?
That is true, Your Honor.
I will waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
I do, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and it is to deny the motion to adjudicate, continue him on his deferred with the TAP evaluation while in custody, and also a felony drug court referral to see if he qualifies for drug court, and if he does not qualify, if it's not accepted, sent to a local ISF or dual diagnosis outpatient program.
All right.
Actually, Your Honor, sorry, Jason, I didn't address this with you. He actually does have a current TAP. That was an initial mistake. So the TAP is current. He no longer has to wait for the TAP evaluation, but Rashawn is going to do a felony drug court referral,
Okay.
and we are hoping and praying that he does get accepted into that program. We think that that's what he needs. He did admit to the drug use, to his probation officer. He had the traumatic event that's referenced in the court summary is the loss of his son this past October. He lost his 27-year-old son to an accidental drug overdose, and that resulted in him relapsing. And he explained that to his probation officer. Because of his documented history of drug use with starting at a very young age, we think that felony drug court would give him the tools that he needs to be successful. He's very motivated for treatment. In the event he doesn't get accepted into the felony drug court program, then he will attend local ISR.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow this?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. I'm sorry for the death of your son.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate that.
All right, so I'm going to deny the motion, alter the main conditions to include a referral to felony drug court while in custody. I think he needs a MIC evaluation or some type of trauma care.
We've already done that.
Okay. The MIC evaluation is done?
Yes, sir.
All right. So follow recommendations of MIC. If not accepted into felony drug court, then it will be state ISF,
Local.
local.
Yes.
Anything else? Anything else?
No.
All right. Is there anything else that you need from the court?
Your Honor, I just appreciate the privilege and opportunity to get the chance with this drug court. And if there is, may I have access to, I don't know who who I would reach out to better equip me to get through this. I don't, but yes, I would like to have access if that's possible.
The MIC unit should be able to help you with that. That's a specialty field of probation. So they will probably be able to direct you where you need to go for that. If for some reason you feel as though they're not addressing that, you can always come to the court.
Awesome. I appreciate that, Your Honor. And I'm just, I feel like I've been reborn. I feel like I have an extra a life here. I just want to thank the court.
All right, you're welcome. We go off the record. So here's the deal. When things like this happen, communication with probation is key. So next time, I don't want to say next time because hopefully nothing traumatic happens, but if something happens and you feel like you're about to use, that's when you contact your probation officer. That's when you go to a sober support meeting, because otherwise we're going to be right back here and your range of punishment is up to life in prison. You understand?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Judge. Everyone.
Where would you like her, Judge?
Oh, she's in the middle.
Okay.
All right, so you've received all the discovery. State, did you tender an offer?
Your Honor, there has been an offer in the file. So I don't,
All right, defense,
Yes.
did you tender the offer to your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Carrillo, have you had a chance to think about the offer, or do you need more time to think about the offer?
I've thought about the offer.
All right, so are you rejecting the offer?
I'm accepting the offer.
Wait,
Oh.
Judge, we wanted to set it for trial.
Well, I mean, your client is saying she's accepting the offer. Do y'all want to discuss that?
I'll discuss it again, but what she means is she understands she got the offer. She does not want to plead guilty at this time.
Well, no, she just told the court, and I don't think I was speaking in legal terms. She just told the court that she wants to accept the offer. Here's the thing, if people don't want to accept an offer, I'm fine with that. And if you want a jury trial, I'll give you a jury trial. But if you're rejecting an offer, there is no, I'm not accepting the offer at this time. That means that the only way the court will consider an offer after today is if there's good cause to do it. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. So I'll allow you to speak to your attorney, because what she's told me is that she wants to accept the offer. So I'll let you step back to speak to your attorney. And once that's done, you can come back. All right. How do you pronounce your last name?
Kennedy.
Kennedy. All right. All right. So where are we on this case?
I filed a motion to quash and talk to the state for a moment. She'd like a few days to get ready.
All right. I
Please.
haven't seen the motion. Could you pull the motion to quash on this case? It's 2023 CR 4168. And what is the concern on the indictment, counsel?
Lack of specificity about adequate nourishment and adequate proper care.
Okay.
It's simply saying that it's like
Okay.
kind of amorphous.
All right. So if the court denies the motion, how long is this jury trial going to take?
Probably 3 days, huh?
It could be lengthy. There's going to be a lot of expert witness testimony.
How many experts?
Few.
Okay. So it'll probably be 1 day for jury selection, maybe 2 days for the jury trial. All right. Ms. Ferguson, when is the next day for family violence? Let's do it next week. And then after that, your trial is going to be a quick turnaround. Do you understand?
I don't know what a quick turnaround means.
Oh, you're going to be trying this case in the month of October, at the latest November. That's what that means.
I understand.
So has an offer been tendered?
Yes.
All right. Now, are you rejecting that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right.
Judge.
So the court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. If you decide to enter a plea, you'll have to enter a plea open to the court. You understand?
Yes, Judge.
What date for hearing on this, Norma? All right, we're going to come back on October
I'll
12th
be out
to
of
have a
town.
hearing on
I'm
your
sorry, I'll
motion.
be out of town.
All right, counsel said he'll be out of town. So you all have to be here exactly at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, the 10th.
Very good, Judge. Leave excuse now.
Yes,
Go ahead and sit over there.
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome. All right, so with regards to the offer that's been tendered by the state, do you understand what the offer is?
Yes.
All right, so do you want to enter a plea or do you want a jury trial?
A jury trial.
All right, so here's the thing, and I'm going to explain it to you, and I hope your attorney, and I'm sure your attorney did explain it to you. that means that you're rejecting the state's offer that you want to go to trial. When we come back for your jury trial date, the court is not going to consider any plea agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. So if the jury is in the hallway and suddenly everybody changes their minds and say they want to accept the state's offer, and that's, you just change your mind, the court is not going to accept that offer. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Ferguson? On this case, if you're recalled for tomorrow for jury trial?
Tomorrow,
Yes.
okay?
All
We're
right.
ready.
Sure. All right, thanks.
Yeah, and.
They'll give you a
I'd
reset.
like the announcement from the state police, Judge.
Oh, the state's announcement is going to be ready because this is set for tomorrow. That's what the court is saying.
Okay, tomorrow, what time?
What time do you want this back tomorrow, Norma?
Making sure it's on.
9? All right, she'll give you a reset form, then you're excused.
We'll be here at
Thank you.
9.
All right, thank you.